Want Notepad to catch spelling mistakes while you type? Newer versions of Windows Notepad include a built-in spell check feature that can flag misspelled words. In this guide, I'll show you how to enable it, adjust the spell check settings, and check that it's working. First, open Notepad on your Windows PC. Then look near the top right of the window and select Settings. This opens Notepad's Settings panel, where you can control features including spell checking. In Settings, look for the Spelling or Spell Check section. Newer Notepad versions can provide options for checking spelling as you type. Find the main spell check switch and turn it on. Turn on spell checking, then return to your document. Type a word with an obvious spelling mistake. If the feature is working, Notepad should identify the word, often with a colored underline. Yeah, this makes it much easier to catch simple mistakes while writing. To review a suggested correction, click the highlighted word. If Notepad has a suggestion, you'll see it in the context menu. Select the correct spelling to replace the mistake. If there's no suggestion, you can simply edit the word manually. Depending on your Notepad version, you may also see additional spell check controls, such as options for checking spelling as you type or excluding certain file types. Review these settings and keep the options you actually need enabled. Simpler settings are usually better if you mainly use Notepad for quick notes. If you don't see spell check settings, your Notepad version may not support the feature yet. Make sure Windows and Notepad are updated through Windows Update or the Microsoft Store, depending on how Notepad is installed. Also remember that menus can vary between Windows versions and app builds, and that's how you enable spell checking in Notepad. Open Settings, turn on the available spell check option, then test it with a misspelled word. If the feature isn't available, updating Notepad may help. So next time you're writing a quick note, let Notepad catch those little spelling mistakes for you. Thanks for watching.